Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit your lineups on NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live on my mobile. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go to the top left corner, click on this sandwich icon, and then you're gonna be right here. You're gonna find yourself in this list. Basically, guys, in this list, you're gonna find objectives, my team, store, limited time events, campaigns, and so on. Make sure that you search for my team, go ahead and click on it, and then you're gonna be right here. So, in order to edit your lineups, go ahead and you can click right here in this settings icon. And from here, as you can see, guys, I can change the lineup's name. I can also lock the lineup. Also, in order to add another lineup, go ahead and click on the plus icon. And then from here, you can add the name for the lineup. So for example, I'm going to name it tutorial. Click on done and then click on create. And now, as you can see, guys, the new lineup has been created. Right here in the bottom, you're going to find your uh, players from here. You're going to find your home jerseys. You can switch between them. And right here, you're going to find the players. Click on max over like that. So we're going to click claim and continue. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.